How to change language in Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to change your language in the Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade game, first of all launch open the game on your device and wait for the main screen to load. Once it does, it will look like this. Go to the top right corner and tap the menu button. From the menu button, select language. You'll see the available list of languages on the page. Select the one you want to change to. After making your selection, tap on OK at the bottom right. This will restart the game in the new language of your choice. You can change your language whenever you want by repeating the same step. And that's how you easily change the language in Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.